In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Viber. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. Viber is a popular messaging app, and the safest way to get it on your Android device is through the Google Play Store. That's the official app marketplace on Android, and using it helps ensure you're downloading the real app, not a lookalike. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your phone or tablet. You'll find its icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a multicolored triangle. If you have trouble spotting it, swipe up from your home screen to open the full list of apps and search for Play Store there. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you proceed. And it's a good idea to have some free storage space available so the download and installation go smoothly. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Viber. Keep it simple. Just the word Viber will do. As results appear, you're looking for the official listing named Rakuten Viber Messenger. The icon is a purple speech bubble with a phone handset inside, which helps you confirm you've got the right one. If you see similarly named apps, ignore them and focus on the listing with that exact name and the recognizable purple icon. You can tap into the apps page to double-check details like screenshots, the description, and user ratings if you'd like extra confirmation you're on the official page. When you're sure you have the right app, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar move from downloading to installing. This can take a moment depending on your internet speed. If you're on mobile data and want to avoid extra charges, consider waiting until you're on Wi-Fi before you start, as the download can use a bit of data. If your device already has Viber from a previous install, the button might say Update instead of Install. In that case, tapping Update will bring the app to the latest version. If you ever see a brief permissions notice or storage warning, that's normal. It's simply letting you know what the app needs to function. Once the installation finishes, the button will change to Open, which indicates the app is now on your device. That's it. The download is complete. To quickly recap, open Google Play Store, search for Viber, select Rakuten Viber Messenger, and tap Install. You're all set.